All right, my name is George Fiawu, African music and dance teacher, workshop leader, work in schools and various institutions.
Now we are here today to teach bedside people African drumming.
George and Martin were really enthusiastic and good fun.
Huge amount of energy in the place, wonderful to see everybody smiling, really, really good fun.
I'd just like to say it's one of the best things we've done here. It's cheered my day up no end. Thank you very much.
Great fun. I'd like to do it every day in the office. Please.
Yeah, on behalf of everyone, Martin, George, thanks very much. It's been a fantastic session. So we were just